On today's episode, episode 46 of the Lake Hill City Birds, I'm going to be talking and interrupting the peaceful bird watching, so I just wanted to give you a heads up. I just want to give everybody a quick update. As many of you know, I finally went back to work after battling complications from the C virus for the past 20 months, and it's been a long 20 months. I have a part time job now working from home. I live in Tennessee and I work in Texas. That's the magic of an online job. I wanted to start out part time because I know my brain isn't ready for full time yet. Although the past few weeks I had to work full time for training, I made it. Thank you, Jesus, for that. Each day after working 8 hours, I would feed the dogs, take them out to potty, come back in, and go straight to sleep. My brain was mush by the end of the day. And it's been a rough few weeks, but I'm thankful to have finally made it through. I am now on my part time schedule. 4 hours a day is about the max my brain can handle. So, more on my brain. With the C virus, I ended up with brain and spinal lesions along with dozens of other issues. After 12 months of being part of a brain study, it has been determined that I now have MS. At least that is their theory. They believe I may have been having mild symptoms of MS prior to the virus, but the virus made it develop quicker and into the stuff that I'm dealing with now. I've had the numbness, pins and needles, electric shocks in my legs and feet, and my hands are affected too. And I've also had a couple of focal seizures. I still have the virus long hauler symptoms with my pancreas being messed up from the virus. My blood sugar will shoot up to dangerously high levels without me eating any sugar or anything. I had one of my frontline doctors call it COVID diabetes because it does some weird stuff to the pancreas, but I'm on some natural stuff now that seems to be helping those symptoms. It has been a crazy couple of years, but we made it through because we always let go and let God. What does it mean when I say let go and let God? It means allowing God to direct your path, letting go of doubt, stress, anxiety, just submitting your life to God and God alone. When God is in control of our lives become whole. I need to start ending my videos with that because I'm always saying it. I am physically doing okay right now. I have my moments, especially if I overdo it and I don't protect my brain from sensory overload, but I'm learning things that trigger it and I try to avoid it. I don't get on my computer much during the week because I'm on one at work. I do have the blue light and brightness turned down though. I just take it a day at a time. I'm happy to be working again and hopefully I will not have any relapses anytime soon. This is why I've been posting mostly shorts the last few weeks. I have not had time to do cooking videos. I'm going to change the days that I post videos. I usually do a cooking short or a dog treat video every Monday, and I will be changing that to Saturday. Monday will be the Lake Hill City Birds, and Wednesday will be the full length cooking video still. I'm not moving that yet. If I decide to, I'll let y'all know. So Monday will be episodes of the Lake Hill City Birds. Wednesday, the full length cooking video, and Saturday will be a cooking short or a dog treat video if I'm up to it. Oh, and for my birthday, my sister bought me a domain name. So go to Cookin with Bobbi Jo, and that's Cookin, doesn't have a G on the end, with BobbiJo.com. And you can see my website. I have my recipes and a blog there already, and I may add some other stuff to it as time goes on. There's also a link in the video description if you just want to click that link. Also, I was surprised to see I have over 450 subscribers now. That is so awesome. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I'm going to get a few things made up, and when I reach 500 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I think that will be fun. So it has been in the upper 60s the last few days, but I had a winter storm watch come across my phone. It says from Friday 10 p.m. to Saturday 7 p.m. heavy snow possible, 2 to 6 inches possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. All of East Tennessee, including Chattanooga. I've joked about us living in a no snow zone since we've moved here. When we lived in Harrison, we would always get snow when they called for it. But when we moved here, they will call for it and we never get snow. So if we get snow Saturday, I will post a short of it. Well, anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I don't know if y'all consider that quick or not. And I hope you've enjoyed the birds. We've had a lot of pretty birds. The cardinal looks almost orange. They're really red, but the sun's shining on it. The way the sunlight's coming, that cardinal looked orange in this video. I'll leave you to watch the rest of this video in peace and quiet. Well, I say that, but the birds will start fighting. But keep your eye out for the peanut stealing squirrel with half a tail. He's kind of cute the way he sneaks up in the middle of the bird fight. Y'all have a blessed day, and don't forget to let go and let God.